Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Sheena and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a sweat proof makeup for this summertime heat. And also on top of that, we're also wearing masks, face masks. So we want to look good, but we don't want to ruin our face mask. So I made this video to show you guys how I do this look. So first we're gonna start off with laying down my eyebrows, and I'm using Aide glue. It's actually lace front glue. I learned that from Sir John, Beyonce's makeup artist, and it gives your eyebrows some texture, and also it's waterproof, so they're not coming off. And I'm just laying them upwards, smoothing them out to prepare for my eyebrow pencil, which I am using Rihanna. I think that's MVP. I forgot what shade, so I will link it down below. And I'm just filling in any, little sparse areas, nothing major. I'm not trying to have a full, like a glam look, just something to put on. But once you put that on, it's not coming on. It's not coming off. So, yeah. And now for my eyes, I'm starting off with Teddy from MAC. It's an eye Kohl, and it's gonna be my preparation for my eyeshadow. I like to use two textures to make my makeup waterproof. So right now I'm using an eye pencil, and then on top of that I'm gonna put a shadow, which will lock it in. So doing something like a duality will lock your makeup in. And I'm just blending that all over my lid and blending any little lines around my crease. And so with duality, I'm using for my crease, I'm using a cream color from my Anastasia contour palette. And that's gonna be my backdrop for my other shadow that I'm going to place. And I'm going to use a Sigma brush, and I'm blending that out. Any harsh areas, I'm just blending it out with that clean Sigma brush. E38, I believe. And I'm blending away any harshness. I'm actually using Pat McGrath. It's a burnish orange color, and I'm gonna use that to put on top of that contour color that I used on the crease. So the rule of the game is I'm basically using a cream, and then on top of that I'm using a powder to set it in place. So therefore my makeup should last. And I'm just blending away, And so I'm using another Pat McGrath shadow, and I'm placing it on the outer corner to deepen my crease. And all the products I use will be linked down below. For my lid, I'm using a MAC shadow called Satin Taupe. I don't know, today I felt like having like a cool tone vibe, so I wanted to use that. And I'm using Huda Beauty's eyeliner to flick out my wing liner. I like this liner because it has a pencil side to it, and it also has like a liquid liner part to it, so you could play around with that. It's actually cool. And I'm using my fingers to like clean up my wing line, but you could use a clean Q-tip also. And I'm bringing it on the bottom, but I'm using Pat McGrath coffee brown or black coffee, and that's actually a dark brown. I wanted to use like a dark brown to like soften the under eye because I didn't want to use a black eyeliner. And so I have chinky eyes, guys, and when you have like smaller eyes, if you use like a lighter shade in your teardrop and your waterline, it opens up your eyes, so it makes it appear bigger. And I'm popping on some lashes from AOA lashes, and the shades in Scarlette, I believe. Yeah, Scarlette. And I'm just popping those on. It's very natural. For foundation today, I'm using DIOR's foundation. Is a face and body foundation, which is very blendable. You could build it up to full coverage if you wanted to, but I'm doing like a light coverage today. And this one also, it is waterproof too, so it'll last for a while in hot, humid places. Like I live in Florida. It's hot and it's humid, so I gotta make sure that I use products that are gonna stay on my face because I don't want to sweat my makeup off. For concealer, I am using Pat McGrath, her only concealer, which I really like, and I'm just placing that underneath my eyes. I'm not bringing it too close to my lash line, but I'm just blending that out. Give me a little brightness underneath. And I'm using one of Sephora's old brushes too. They have a new collection of brushes and they were selling like their old brushes. So I actually like it. And I'm just placing wherever needs concealing. So for contour, I'm going back in with that cream contour from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, I cannot talk today. And I am placing the product on a little bit above under my cheekbone, like on top of my cheekbone, to like give my face a snatched look, like I am skinty. And I'm going under my chin too, and a little on my nose, but I don't want to change the appearance of my nose. I love my nose. I just want to like enhance it, I guess, some more. And to set my concealer in place, I'm using Danessa Myricks Universal powder. Evolution powder and the translucent powder. It has no color to it, so anyone can use it. For like blush, I use this Colourpop color. It's actually a cream, and like I said again, duality. So you want to put a cream and a powder to set. So this is my cream, but I also put another cream blush on too, because this gave me a hint of color, but I wanted a little bit more. It's still cute or whatever, but I chose the Cognac color from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just blending that on top. Yeah, that one looked better to me. That's cute. And for the rest of my face, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's in the shade number 4, and it's just putting some smoothness to my skin, also setting everything in place using a powder, which I told you guys, powder helps to set everything in place. And I wanted to contour a little bit, or sculpt my face out a little bit, so I'm using a shade from MAC called Taupe. It's, when you look at the pan, it looks like, why would you use that color? But it like helps to like define your cheekbones, you know, make your face look snatched. It's actually a cool tone color. And I am using Lumi Shine highlighter cream from L'Oreal, and I'm just placing that on the tops of my cheekbones to give it a little pop. Also on my nose, but not too much. You see how lightly I'm applying it. Sometimes I want to look like a disco ball, but not today. And I'm using Natasha Denona powder, which broke on me. I was pissed. Anyway, I used that to set that highlighter from L'Oreal. And I'm just putting it on my cheekbones. It just gives you a subtle glow. And for my lips, I am using Chestnut on my lips from MAC to define them. Yeah, I didn't do a great job on showing my lips, guys. I apologize. And for lips, I'm using this L'Oreal lip stain. It is matte, and it is it will not stain your lips. I mean, not stain your lips, but it's not going anywhere. And it's like a you know, like a nudish pink. It's cute. I wanted to try it out. You know, I don't normally wear pink, so I was like, okay, let me try this one out. That was cute. And oh yeah, I went back with some blush to set it, and I'm using what color is that again? to MAC blush. It's not coming to my head right now, but it is in my head. Anyway, I will also write that in the comments down below. I mean the description box, so you guys could see it. But yeah, it's setting that blush that I placed. Alright guys, so yeah, this is the look. So if you guys like this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I'll be more than likely to do it. I'll see you next time. Bye.